Charter for Union with God. Preamble. We, the seekers of divine unity, hereby establish this charter as a guide for our journey towards spiritual enlightenment and union with the divine. Recognizing the inherent connection between all beings and the ultimate source of creation, we commit ourselves to the pursuit of oneness with God. Article 1. Purpose. 1. To cultivate a deep and intimate relationship with the divine essence. 2. To transcend the illusions of separation and recognize the divine presence in all aspects of existence. 3. To embody the qualities of love, compassion, wisdom, and service as expressions of our divine nature. 4. To inspire others to embark on their own paths towards spiritual realization and union with God.
Article 2, Principles 1. Surrender. We surrender our egoic desires and attachments, allowing the divine will to guide our thoughts, words, and actions. 2. Faith. We trust in the divine wisdom and providence, knowing that all experiences are opportunities for growth and spiritual evolution. 3. Devotion. We cultivate a heart full of devotion and reverence for the divine, expressing our love through prayer, meditation, and acts of worship. 4. Self-reflection. We engage in self-inquiry and introspection to uncover the divine essence within ourselves and to remove any barriers to union with God. 5. Service. We serve others selflessly, recognizing that in serving humanity, we serve the divine presence within each being. 6. Gratitude. We cultivate an attitude of gratitude for the blessings bestowed upon us by the divine, acknowledging every moment as a gift from God. Article 3, Practices. 1. Meditation. We dedicate time each day to quiet the mind and commune with the divine presence through meditation and contemplation. 2. Prayer. We offer prayers of gratitude, devotion, and supplication as a means of communication with the divine. 3. Study. We engage in the study of sacred texts, spiritual teachings, and the lives of enlightened beings to deepen our understanding of God. 4. Rituals. We participate in spiritual rituals and ceremonies that help to create sacred space and foster connection with the divine. 5. Satsang. We gather in community with fellow seekers to share our experiences, insights, and challenges on the spiritual path. 6. Seva. Service. We engage in acts of selfless service to alleviate the suffering of others and to express our devotion to God through service to humanity. Article 4, Commitment. 1. We commit ourselves wholeheartedly to the pursuit of union with God, recognizing that the path may be long and challenging, yet ultimately rewarding. 2. We pledge to support and uplift one another on our spiritual journeys, offering encouragement, guidance, and compassion along the way. 3. We affirm our dedication to living a life aligned with divine principles and values, acting as vessels of divine love and light in the world. Article V, Amendments. 1. This charter may be amended as necessary by a consensus of the members, guided by the principles of divine wisdom and love. Note: this charter serves as a framework for individuals seeking union with God and may be adapted to suit the beliefs and practices of different spiritual traditions. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates.